What are you giving out for?
I'm not saying that the name wasn't good enough. I'm telling you that I changed it, and I'm just asking you to respect the fact that I
Wanna
changed
go
it
toilet?
to honor my request. What the hell are you talking about?
Respect the fact.
Go on, let's go.
Who the hell do you think you are, Walter?
You go to toilet? Go on.
Do I ask you to call me anything I want?
You know what? You go ahead and retake Sam's things, okay? Let's take them off.
Oh, you giving out?
Did you do it?
I told you. What are you giving out for?